a lift and shift is conceptually the easiest. Architecturally, it's the simplest for everybody to understand as they're doing it. We had a database server with 16 processes and however many terabytes of RAM on-prem. Let's do the same in the cloud. In my experience, that's also the most likely to fail or to cause a bad cloud project. And we see there are a number of companies out there on LinkedIn posting how they moved to the cloud and then they moved back because it was rubbish and it failed and it was no good for them. And I think in every one of those I've ever read, the story was, we moved from using a bunch of VMs in our data center to using a bunch of VMs in the cloud. We didn't optimize anything along the way, and we ended up spending a lot more money. And then they're surprised about it, right? So are there any easy ways to modernize as you're doing that migration rather than doing a straight lift and shift?
I think there's no correct answer to this, no yes or no, because it depends is the answer on this. Depends what you want to migrate. If you have 500 servers, 10 business units, you always want to go for a lift, shift, and modernize afterwards, but don't forget it, because migrating this on the way will be a huge overhead. You would need to have knowledgeable people in each department, guiding them, supporting them. This will take years for the whole migration to do. And
probably the migration framework from AWS actually says that if you need to do it in a hurry, move it first and then, so first is rehost and then re-architect.